If the allure of digital nomads working from picturesque locations seemed too good to be true, think again. I'm here to show you why now is the perfect time to embrace the nomadic lifestyle. In this video, discover ways to join the ranks of digital nomads, enjoying unparalleled personal freedom. No longer tethered to bosses or societal norms, this lifestyle offers a unique form of liberation. Even with the term becoming a buzzword, the concept remains remarkable, and the path to becoming a digital nomad is more accessible than ever. Number 10. Software engineer. Embark on a coding odyssey to become a software engineer. Master languages like Python or Java. Build a robust portfolio on platforms like GitHub. The demand is immense and salaries reflect it, around $122,645 per year on average. Your creations power the digital world, offering a ticket to a life of innovation and global opportunities. Transform ideas into reality and watch your earning potential soar as you navigate the dynamic tech landscape. Number 9. Web developer. Dive into the world of web development, weaving the fabric of the digital experience. Learn HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Explore frameworks like React. Build a portfolio showcasing your versatility. On platforms like Upwork, Freelancer, and beyond, freelance opportunities abound. With an average annual salary ranging from $50,000 to $75,000, web developers shape the online realm, crafting websites that captivate and function seamlessly. Your journey begins with coding and evolves into a career of digital creation. Number 8. Graphic designer. Enter the realm of graphic design, where you paint with pixels and earn with artistry. Master design software like Adobe Creative Cloud. Craft visuals that tell compelling stories. The canvas is vast, and so are the opportunities. On platforms like Fiverr, graphic designers can earn an average of $50,600 per year. Creativity becomes currency as you shape the visual narrative of brands and businesses. It's not just a job, it's an art form that communicates messages and makes the digital world vibrant. Number 7. Content creator. Become a digital storyteller, crafting compelling narratives through words, images, and videos. Hone your writing or multimedia skills. Platforms like YouTube and Medium provide spaces to share your creations, monetized through ads, sponsorships, and collaborations. Content creators can earn an average of $51,664 per year. Your ideas resonate globally, and your creativity becomes a passport to a thriving digital career. It's more than a job. It's an exploration of diverse mediums and the power of storytelling in the digital age. Number 6. Online teacher. Break geographical boundaries and become an online teacher, empowering minds globally. Acquire expertise in a subject. Platforms like VIP Kid connect you with eager learners. With an average annual salary of around $72,000, online teaching offers flexibility and the joy of shaping young minds. It's a journey of education without borders, where passion and knowledge become the currency of a digital career. Your impact transcends distances as you navigate the digital landscape of online education. Number 5. SEO specialist. Embark on a journey of navigating digital visibility as an SEO specialist. Understand algorithms, analytics tools, and keyword research. An SEO specialist's average annual salary ranges from $45,000 to $85,000. Showcase results through case studies and data analytics. As the bridge between businesses and their online audience, your expertise in enhancing website visibility becomes a lucrative asset. Navigate the evolving SEO landscape and maximize your earnings by ensuring businesses shine in the vast online landscape. Number 4. Virtual assistant. Master the art of digital support as a virtual assistant. Hone organizational and communication skills. Platforms like Upwork connect you with businesses seeking remote assistance. With an average annual salary of around $39,000, virtual assistants become the backbone of digital operations. Efficiency and reliability become your currency as you navigate tasks from scheduling to customer support. Embrace digital tools that streamline responsibilities and let your mastery of remote support become the foundation of a fulfilling digital career. Number 3. Brand designer. Craft visual identities as a brand designer, shaping how businesses are perceived. Understand brand essence, colors, fonts, and messaging. Collaborate with brand strategists. Adobe Creative Cloud becomes your artistic playground. With an average annual salary of around $60,000, brand designers translate concepts into captivating visuals. Showcase your portfolio, showcasing your ability to create stories that resonate. It's not just about images, it's about crafting perceptions in the crowded digital marketplace. Number 2. Digital marketing. In the realm of digital marketing, content creators captivate audiences and monetize influence. Understand brand voice and target audience. Leverage storytelling and multimedia tools. Platforms like Instagram and TikTok amplify reach. Content creators can earn an average of $50,000 per year. Craft compelling narratives that contribute to the digital marketing landscape. Every piece created becomes a contribution to the digital narrative, with creativity and strategy dancing together in a dynamic career. Number 1, database administrator. Safeguard digital information as a database administrator. Master database management systems like Oracle. Acquire skills in data modeling and security. Certifications add weight to expertise. With an average annual salary of around $90,000, database administrators are entrusted with organizing and securing data. It's not just about accessibility, it's about securing valuable assets for businesses. In the vast digital landscape, your role ensures data remains secure, empowering decisions and innovations in the digital age.
That's all for this video.